Prudential Discounted Gift Trust Calculator. Prudential's Discounted Gift Trust (DGT) calculator is a financial tool designed to help individuals and advisors estimate the potential inheritance tax (IHT) discount when setting up a discounted gift trust. This calculator provides an estimated value of the discount based on key factors such as the settler's age, investment amount, and regular withdrawals. The discount can reduce the taxable value of a gift, making it a useful strategy for estate planning. 1. Purpose of the Discounted Gift Trust Calculator. The DGT calculator helps individuals understand how much of their gift may be immediately exempt from inheritance tax. Since a discounted gift trust allows the donor to retain regular withdrawals while gifting a sum to beneficiaries, this tool calculates the potential tax-efficient benefits of the trust. Second key features of the calculator. This calculator provides an estimate of the discount applied to the gift for IHT purposes. It considers the settler's age, withdrawal amount, and investment value to determine the immediate IHT benefit. The tool is designed for guidance and should be used alongside professional financial advice. 3. How to use the Prudential Discounted Gift Trust Calculator. Step 1. Enter personal details such as age, health status, and financial goals. Step 2. Input the total amount to be gifted and specify the desired level of regular withdrawals. Step 3. The calculator processes the inputs and provides an estimated discount percentage. Step 4. Review the estimated IHT savings and potential long-term benefits of the trust. Step 5. Consult a financial advisor to assess the best approach based on personal circumstances. 4. Benefits of using the calculator. This tool helps individuals visualize the tax efficiency of using a discounted gift trust. By providing an estimate of the discount, users can plan their estate more effectively and determine the most suitable financial strategy for passing wealth to beneficiaries while maintaining income security. 5. Important considerations before using the calculator. The final discount value is determined through underwriting and HM revenue and customs HMRC assessments. Health conditions and other factors may influence the level of discount applied. Since tax laws are subject to change, seeking professional guidance is essential when setting up a discounted gift trust. Prudential's Discounted Gift Trust Calculator is a valuable tool for estimating inheritance tax savings and structuring financial planning efficiently. By understanding the potential benefits, individuals can make informed decisions about estate planning. To find out if you're paying too much in estate taxes, click on the link in the description below.